It is universal workshops in particular, where the individual processing of various materials is becoming increasingly important. The most up-to-date 4-axis CNC technology guarantees limitless creativity and at the same time reduce the initial investment cost and subsequent costs for special aggregates and tools. Individual tooling configuration and fully automatic production at a manageable investment level. The all-in-one 4-axis CNC makes the future of components manufacturing profitable